Morning brush. Close a little. There we go, right there. Perfect. Twice a day. Every day. For 2 minutes. Just keep it like that. Open. Open. Spit. Alright. That's what happens when you let your sons DJ. Come on. Yes. Haven't seen our boy in a while. And we're going out of town. So we got an actual dentist appointment tomorrow with a pediatric dentist. Please. Randy, please. Open. Okay. Let's floss. Okay. Open, please. Every child is different. But you're not going to have as much success as you think. And you just have to try. Okay, done. Really wet the brush. Oh, come on, open. Every day, twice a day. For 2 minutes. Oh, come on. It's never easy. Never pleasant. But it's real. You are doing good. You're laughing at that too, huh? This is perfect when the child has just loose, not like tense, so you can get the toothbrush within the cheeks. Like that. Without issue. And good job. Open. Open. Good. Every child's not going to be the same, especially if you don't have the same visitation rights. So, try your best. Do what you can. It's a forever journey. It's never over. Especially in these days of parenting. Good job.